Hey, what's up BitTorrent holder? Today video is going absolutely very special and this is urgent video for BitTorrent holder because the BitTorrent result has gone down. You can see here absolutely a negative starting. So BitTorrent holder asked me to what we do, sell, buy or hold. So in this video, this is live price prediction of BitTorrent. Please keep watching this video. In this video, I tell you to this is selling time, buying time, or what we do or hold it. Okay, so let's start this brand video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you need this type more informative video, please subscribe this channel because this channel uploading you every cryptocurrencies, every latest news of all cryptocurrencies. So this is absolutely good channel for you if you are a holder of any crypto. So I hope you subscribe it. So guys, if you can see here, first of all I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour result and then we decide, and then I'm gonna show you the second chart. Absolutely, second chart is very important, so keep watch this video. If you can see here, not this result, not this changes. Okay, the changes as 2.53% gone up, so this is absolutely a good change. You can see here, this is absolutely, and those days if they can go up like a rocket, then absolutely this is very fastest cryptocurrency. So guys, you can see here the graph is absolutely gone straight, not a dump, not a jump, but again you can see here as a small dump, and again it's here as a small jump. Absolutely, sometimes they can take jumps, sometimes they can dump. So absolutely every cryptocurrencies do this. And this is the last 1 hour reader. You can see here the latest price is absolutely goes down. So why they goes down, let's check it out. The last 1 day price to what's the price of last 1 day. You can see here absolutely, and the last 1 hour price is going down. And if you can see here the graph result absolutely starting dumping. You can see here. So in those days, this is the start of month, every cryptocurrency goes down. So not just unique, BitTorrent as very fastest cryptocurrency, everybody know this. So guys, I hope in upcoming days absolutely they're starting moving like a rocket. Absolutely, you can see here this time the change as a negative, absolutely negative, and absolutely very bad change. But holders, please remember to this is the start of month, and every start of month all cryptocurrencies goes down. So this is not a selling time. Absolutely, my opinion is that this is not a selling time. This is just, I cannot order you, I just share my opinion. Please remember this, I just share my opinion to what I do. I have no plan to buy, but if I have a plan to buy, then absolutely I have buy in those days. Absolutely, this is good days for buying. Just buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they can give you a good profit and they make you a millionaire. Absolutely, they make you a millionaire. So wait for the end of this month. I hope they can give you a good profit. If you want this type more informative video, please just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. I updating you every cryptocurrency and just every hour bad or good news. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.